Hey everyone, here we are with our first Blender tutorial of sorts. Today's tutorial is going to be focused on the user preferences and setting up Blender so that you can follow along with me as well as make it a lot easier for you to navigate through Blender. Now before we jump right into that, I will direct you down here where the mouse is going around in circles. This is the screencast keys add-on I added just to make it a lot easier for you guys to see what I am doing. It registers clicking, as well as middle mouse button. There's the middle mouse button, as well as keys. So there you go. I'm pressing keys right now, just kind of spamming them. But yes, it does get all the keys, as you can see. Very nice. Wow, I don't know what I did there. But yeah, just so if you ever are confused as to what I'm pressing during the tutorial, just look right down here and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm pressing. So very nice thing. You definitely do not need it for your Blender. This is just for your enjoyment and your ease, I guess. So let's just jump right into the user preferences. If you go up here to File and right down to User Preferences, the other alternative is doing Control-Alt-U. This is pretty easy too. We're going to click on that, drag that right over here, and here we are. We have our nice user preferences. So we're just going to go smack dab through these things. Three easy essential things that we're going to do. We're going to go to Input, and then we're going to go right down to Select With. As you can probably see right now, your Blender most likely has the right selected, which is what is highlighted in blue. You're going to want to turn that to left, so that when you're clicking with your mouse, that you select things with your left click. Now, some tutorials just automatically assume that you have it on right, so they'll be pressing the right mouse button, and you'll be sitting there clicking your left, wondering what you're doing, and you know, it just does not work. So for this, we're going to be using the select with left. So that's that. Save user settings, just make sure. Then we're going to go into themes right over here, quickly go there, and then presets. Now this is completely optional. You definitely do not have to do this. It's just kind of something cool that I like to do. As you can see, there are a ton of themes here, presets. So if we click Science Lab, we get this huge different Blender look for us. I personally like the back to black, actually. It's a little hard to see sometimes, but it is easier on the eyes, especially if you are doing longer editing in Blender. So we're going to be using the back to black. I might change it up just a bit, but for this one we're going to be using the back to black. Then I'm going to click Save User Settings one more time, and then finally we're going to go to System. The last thing we're going to do is go down to Cycles Compute Device, and hopefully your computer can do this. The ones that you guys are using at Southwest, or the ones that whatever school you're going to and you're watching this, or whatever computer you are using at home can do this. But you're going to want to select CUDA if you can, C-U-D-A, CUDA, one of the two, and just make sure that you have that selected. What that's going to do is when you decide to render something, if you have this, it's going to go through your GPU, and it's just going to make it a lot easier and faster for you to render things. So definitely have that checked if you're going to be rendering huge Blender projects. And then we're going to want to click Save User Settings, and we should be good to go. That is all for the user preferences. Pretty simple stuff. The next tutorial will be jumping into navigating the 3D space, and I hope you guys found this informative and hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.